2 months ago, I published this video on Thumbs AI, a tool designed to create thumbnails for your social media. I took an old video that was not doing well, and I changed up the title and the thumbnail. Let's take a look at the results. Before we get started, do me a favor and like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I swapped out the thumbnail a few days into June. Here are the viewership numbers for April and May, and they are catatonic to say the least. Here are the numbers for June and July. As you can see, they've improved considerably. I mean, they haven't virtually blasted through the roof or anything, but the increase in viewership is considerable. It makes me wonder what would have happened with this video had I started with a good quality thumbnail. Unfortunately, I'll never know. Do you think I should continue using Thumbs AI to help create my YouTube thumbnails? Or is this just an overhyped AI tool? Let me know in the comments. Again, I'll leave a link to Thumbs AI in the comments, and if you use it, let me know how it goes. I'm Jay Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.